Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve an interesting math problem in which we have to find the value of two variables x and y, and we are given only one equation. So let's start. We are given 3 raised to power 2x minus 2 raised to power 2y minus 713 equal to 0. We can write this equation as 3 raised to power x bracket 2 minus 2 raised to power y bracket 2 equals to 713. Now assume 3 raised to power x equals to m and 2 raised to power y equals to n. So the above equation become m square minus n square equals to 713. We can write this as bracket m plus n times bracket m minus n equals to 713, because as we know a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So we can write the above equation as m plus n times m minus m n equals to. Now we can factor the 713 into 31 times 23. They both are prime numbers. So on comparing this, we get m plus n is equal to 31 and m minus n equals to 23. Now name this equation as 1 and 2, and on solving equation 1 and 2, we get m equals to 27 and n equals to 4. Also, m is 3 raised to power x equals to 27 and n equals to 2 raised to power y equals to 4. Now we can write this as 3 raised to power x equals to 3 raised to power 3 and 2 raised to power y equals to 2 raised to power 2. Since their bases are same in both the case, so their power will be equal. Hence, we get the value of x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. Now, let's check by putting these values in the above equation to find whether these values are correct or not. So, 3 raised to power 2 times 3 minus 2 raised to power 2 times 2 minus 713 equals to 0. Here we get 3 raised to power 6 minus 2 raised to power 4 minus 713 equals to 0. On solving this 3 raised to power 6, we get 729 minus, on solving this 2 raised to power 4, we get 16 minus 713 equals to 0. On solving this, we get 729 minus 729 equals to 0. These both will get cancelled out and we get 0 equal to 0, or we can say left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence the values of x equals to 3 and y equals to 2 are correct. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.